Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Tuesday, December 9th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, so I've got the NQ up here on the daily, folks. Just kind of give you an update. So, as a reminder, right, we've been bullish here from the perspective of the Heikin algorithm, champion cross turning green here. You can see the channels continuing to widen and seem to hold as support here. We have lost a little bit of steam on the Heikin candle, so that's a little concerning from the standpoint of strength and so forth. But my bias is still right, is still to the upside here. Definitely room up to these highs here over the next few days. We're kind of at a critical area based on where we're at with this consolidation. So if we end up tomorrow, for example, getting another candle like this or like this back to the upside, that'll be great. We do have, obviously, at 2 o'clock Eastern tomorrow, FOMC, and that can certainly be a market mover as well. So be careful. So looking at that, though, then going to the 5-minute chart here on the NQ, what I was looking for in the Wells Charts live training room this morning, just to kind of give you an idea. So here's 8 o'clock right here when we started. And what I said was basically if we continue to get these flat top Heikin, we're probably going to head lower here. And so I was actually biased more with the point of control being here. And then we had room down to the VAL, volume area low. I was actually could go either direction, up to the POC or down to the VAL, just waiting for those Heikin formations. And then once we got the 5-minute sell type formations, you can see here now looking at the 1-minute chart on the NQ, you can see right here. So basically what I did, folks, at right here at 8:45-ish, okay, I took this short right here. And so why did I take it? We had the initial move down. Okay, we had the retracement, and then you see the red Heikin dot, flat top, TRP cross Laguerre. Right, again, that is by far my favorite combination for me to take a trade back in the overall direction at the time of the trend to the downside. Okay, had a nice little scalp there to the downside. Okay, now what was interesting then when we came back at 9:30 for the next hour and 15 to 30 minutes, this is what we saw. So guess how many trades I took during that time frame, folks? That's right, 0. Okay, they weren't high probability, none of them. And that was a great learning experience. I got lots of people in there saying, thank you so much for showing us that patience. This is where Heikin can benefit you. When you're getting candles back and forth that look like these, all these wicks, folks, that's a no trade signal. All right, and then lastly, just a reminder, if you go in and you click on education, folks, Wells chart events, and you put it on your chart somewhere. Let me just expand this for a second. Okay, tomorrow on the 10th, December 10th, you'll see I'm back at 9:30 Eastern. So come join me tomorrow at 9:30 in the Wells Charts live training room, and we'll do it all again. All right, folks, have a great evening. Take care.